What's going on, guys? So just a quick video here showing what I did to the bike so far. So as you can see here, I ended up putting the FMF Q4 exhaust. I actually replaced this panel here because the other one had a slight crack over here, so I figured I'd just replace it. I ended up putting a skid plate, as you can see. The Kirby's hand guards, the power mat mirrors here, which look really nice. Got rid of those big antennas. The sticker, the graphic kit here. Put that on. I didn't put anything here. Also came with the tank stickers, and also came with swing arm stickers, but thought it would be too much in my opinion. But I also clipped I didn't end up putting the fender eliminator here. I just clipped my license plate bracket here. To me it looks fine. Looks fine to me. Kept the original blinkers front and back. That's about it. Oh, I just ordered a new headlight, so I didn't put that in yet. So that's an LED headlight, and I think that's about it. Skid plate, the mirrors, hand guards. I do want to order some new grips though. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I'm thinking the Pro Taper pillow toppers. I don't know, these things kind of suck in my opinion, but let me know if you guys have any experience with some good hand grips with these. But just a quick video. Like I said, I want to show you what I've done so far. Definitely a big improvement on the bike. Definitely enjoying it. It's actually really fun to ride. I've had Rice Rockets before, I've had Harleys before, and this is my first Enduro, and I can say it's a lot of fun, you know, especially riding around, you know, with my son and stuff. He's on his quad, I'll just zip on the lawn with this thing and jump down the stairs with it. It's like, you know, it's like being on a bicycle. Can't do that with a Harley. So definitely having a lot of fun. I want to share this quick video with you guys. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm looking to get to that 1,000 subscribers. Please, thank you. Have a good one. Catch you next time.